If you've been thinking about moving overseas, you're not alone. Here in early 2026, international relocation is stronger than ever. More families, professionals, retirees, and remote workers are making the decision to build a life abroad. And while the reasons may vary, one thing is consistent. People are looking for stability, opportunity, and a better quality of life. At SDC International Shipping, we're seeing these shifts every single day. So what's really happening in the international moving industry right now? Let's take a closer look. The first major change is how international moving is becoming more streamlined and digitally organized. Technology has improved route planning, shipment tracking, documentation processing, and communication. Today, clients expect clarity. They want to know where their belongings are, what documents are required, and what comes next. We've adapted to meet that expectation. From virtual surveys to digital inventories and customs coordination, the process is far more organized than it was even a few years ago. Another noticeable shift is efficiency in logistics. International moving isn't just about loading a container, it's about coordinating sea freight schedules, managing port operations, preparing accurate customs documentation, and working with trusted overseas agents. The better the coordination, the smoother the move. That's where experience matters. We're also seeing ongoing regulatory adjustments in many countries. Visa requirements are evolving. Customs documentation requirements are tightening. Some destinations have increased VAT or introduced new import guidelines. International moving today requires careful planning before anything ships. That's why preparation is one of the most important parts of a successful relocation. Now let's talk about where people are moving. Portugal continues to be one of the most requested destinations. Its coastal lifestyle, growing international community, and favorable residency programs attract retirees and remote professionals alike. Spain remains highly desirable, especially cities like Madrid and Barcelona, offering vibrant culture, strong healthcare systems, and accessible work visa options. France and Germany are popular among professionals relocating for career opportunities, while the United Kingdom remains a major destination despite more structured visa processes. Canada continues to attract skilled workers and families seeking long-term residency pathways and educational stability. Mexico is booming with American and Canadian expats looking for affordability, proximity, and lifestyle flexibility. In the Middle East, the UAE continues drawing business professionals and entrepreneurs seeking tax advantages and global connectivity. Australia and New Zealand remain strong options for skilled migration, offering stability and long-term residency opportunities. Across all of these destinations, one theme stands out. People are prioritizing quality of life. Remote work flexibility has expanded global mobility. Digital nomad visas are available in dozens of countries. And families are making decisions based on healthcare access, safety, cost of living, and long-term opportunity. International moving is no longer just corporate relocation. It's lifestyle-driven. So what does this mean if you're considering a move? It means planning early matters more than ever. Documentation must be accurate. Customs requirements must be understood before shipping. Transit timelines must align with your visa status and housing arrangements. And shipping methods need to fit your volume, budget, and delivery expectations. At SDC International Shipping, we specialize in door-to-door household goods relocation. We coordinate sea freight for full containers and groupage consolidation for smaller shipments. For time-sensitive needs, we offer international air freight options. If you're bringing a vehicle, it must be containerized with your household goods, and we guide you through eligibility requirements based on your destination country. We also offer professional packing services, marine insurance coverage, and climate-controlled storage solutions when your housing timeline doesn't align perfectly with your shipment. International relocation isn't just freight forwarding. It's logistics, compliance, coordination, and communication. And most importantly, it's trust. You're not just shipping boxes, you're moving your life. Whether you're heading to Portugal's coast, Canada's cities, Spain's vibrant neighborhoods, or anywhere else around the world, having an experienced guide makes all the difference. If you're thinking about relocating internationally in 2026, now is the time to start the conversation. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to request your personalized consultation. Or call us directly at 877-339-0267. That's 877-339-0267. Your international move deserves clarity, structure, and a team that knows the process from start to finish. We're here to help you take that next step with confidence.